Cerne Abbas, home of the famously enigmatic, baton-wielding and very nude giant. But beneath his feet lie the remains of a lost Benedictine abbey. Hugh, there's stuff absolutely everywhere in this trench. What a feast for the eyes.
We're not just interested in the central part of the monastery, we're interested in the whole landscape around us because, all these features are interconnected.
We knew that the abbey was somewhere. It's in the name.
Well, would you have a look at that? That's huge.
It is huge.
That is so sharp. I tell you what, I wish that was our data set.
And that's so vibrant, isn't it?
The lovely moulded decoration and the paint.
So here we have the archaeology of the dissolution of the monasteries right here in front of our eyes.
It's the closest we've got so far to actually the people who were here in the church. We've learnt things we didn't know before, and it's really confirmed some of our hypotheses.
And has ever raised a few more questions, I guess.
Certainly has.